2019 Jeep Cherokee. The Jeep Cherokee offers superior off-road capability. This makes the Cherokee a fine choice for families who venture off-road or vacation in the mountains or other remote areas. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, traction control, navigation system, power liftgate, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, universal garage door opener, fog lights, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, electronic stability control, compass, trip computer, security system, power windows, rear window defroster, panic alarm. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.